Hey everybody, it's me again. Today I'm uploading a everyday makeup routine, so I hope you guys like. Matter of fact, I hope y'all love this, cause your sister is trying something new here today, and I'm trying different settings, different vibes. Alrighty, so you know, just love this. Leave a comment whatsoever, and let's begin the lituation here. Okay, so my face is already primed, lips already hydrated. We can start this. The hell is all this? What's on my brush? I'm gonna start off with my spoolie, and I will be combing out my napped up eyebrows. They gotta be done, so don't judge. I got my eyebrows done. They're not blended, but I like to do concealer first, then foundation. So I'm just gonna conceal the heck ahead, and y'all just finna see. Now sis, I cannot stress this enough. Blend. I have blended everything. As you see, I will be using my BH Cosmetics stippling brush. It is damped, and I will be using my Maybelline foundation, and I will apply this evenly around my face. No, but I was kind of skeptical about this Maybelline foundation, but I guess I can work with it, I guess. So I will be using my LA Pro Concealer Fawn. It is pretty light, but I only use this for highlights, so I'm just gonna be type of like ladies that bake. There's people who bake with makeup, there's people who bake, if y'all know what I'm talking about, and then there's people who like to literally bake in the oven. So I shall be applying this now. So now that I've baked and I've took the powder off my face, I will be using my Black Radiance Complexion Contour Palette, and I will be contouring my face. Now I'm gonna be applying some highlight on my face. Oh, do you see that glow, sis? Oh, did you? Sis, do you see the glow? I see that glow. That glow is slaying me. I see that glow. That glow is slaying. Applied Maybelline Sensational Mascara on my lashes, as you see. And now I'm extra enough to apply some shimmer around my eye, like around my eye corners and over here in my brow. So this is it. This is my final look, and I have some little lip gloss on because I'm mad extra over. Okay, so this is my final look, and I hope you guys love this video because I tried my very best, and I think I'm a little bit extra because this is supposed to be a everyday makeup look, and I kind of did it into a soft beat. I don't know, but whatever it is, I hope y'all like it. So put a subscribe, put a comment, whatever, and I'll see y'all in my next video.